Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Total Health. In today's video, I'll be telling you how to get dark and thicker beard and mustache in few days. So, let's check out the home remedies. Number 1. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is one of the essential things. Coconut oil massage is one of the ways in which you can increase the growth of your facial hair. Combine coconut oil with rosemary oil. Apply the oil mixture to the face with the help of a cotton ball. Rinse with cold water after about 15 to 20 minutes. Do this massage thrice a week for the best results. Number 2. Amla oil. Amla is also called as the Indian gooseberry. It can stimulate the growth of your facial hair. You can use amla alone or mix it with mustard leaves. Massage with amla oil onto your face and leave it on for about 20 to 25 minutes before rinsing it using cold water. Grind a few mustard leaves into a paste and mix it with a few drops of the amla oil and apply it. Number 3. Eucalyptus oil. Combine eucalyptus oil with any carrier oil like olive oil or sesame oil. Mix this too and massage it onto the facial skin. Leave it on for at least 20 to 25 minutes before rinsing with cold water. Clean, moisturized skin. When your skin is moisturized, there is a better environment for your facial hair to grow quickly. Moreover, there should not be oil, dirt, and also dead skin that hampers your hair follicles to break through. Your facial hair grows much faster when your face is consistently kept clean and moisturized. Thank you for watching this video. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel Total Health.